All right, guys. Welcome to another section of our YouTube tutorial, ATU library. And this particular tutorial is going to focus on transcribing audio, video files in Microsoft Word, or you can make some recordings in Microsoft Word. Sometimes you've gone for a meeting or you have recorded a lecture and you want to transcribe. And currently, we do have numerous AI tools that you are supposed to pay for you to do the transcribe or to get your recordings in real time, to get them in words, as we see over here, to do the transcribe for you. But you can do this freely. Okay, you don't need to pay anything in Microsoft Word. You can do that free. You can. So this tutorial is going to cover how you can transcribe your audios or video files in Microsoft Word. Yeah. All right. So let me just get rid of this. So I'm going to do a demo. Pretty simple. Make sure that you have this tab over here. That is the detect. You see the drop down over here? Yeah. So you click on the drop down, you see transcribe. Yeah, transcribe. And when you look at the description for the transcribe converts speech to text to a text transcript. Yeah. So we just click on that, transcribe. So we have, it's loading. Yeah, it's loading. So you don't click directly on the detect, you just use the drop down. Then you click on transcribe. So let's see what comes out. All right, we have upload. Okay, so what we have here is upload audio, start recording. Okay, so you can just, so we are doing it with audio. We are doing audio for now. So we just click on upload audio. Okay, so, all right, let me see what we have over here. Okay, so, audio, I'm looking for a particular audio file. Okay, so, all right, so download just is populating. So, all right, so this is the file that I want to transcribe. Okay, click on open, it loads. So, okay, loads, 51%, 53, 54. Okay, so just yeah, it's be done. Press okay. So we have that. Let's try playing this. Okay, so I am using a earpiece, so you can hear that. But what we have over here, what you are seeing, the transcribe from the file that we uploaded is done. And that's what we have over here. That's a speaker one, a tech enthusiast, a portion, there's a blah, blah, blah. So that and that. And you have edit section over here. Yeah. You can add it to your document. And so this is just an intro to transcribing audios. We'll come back and discuss how you can do the recording in our next session. Thank you. And remember to subscribe to the channel. See you guys. Bye.